Okay, we're up in Buffalo on an old job that there's water coming in the ceiling here. We didn't do the roof. Sears actually did this roof. We came in and we did the ceiling soffit, and when we did, the debris that Sears tore off just fell down onto the lower roof, and we were dealt with that mess. So the inside's nice and pearly white, and what we're finding is right where the windows, you can see the weep holes on these windows. Well, the aluminum for this trim is actually sticking up, and the water that's coming through those weep holes is going underneath that aluminum. So these windows need to be completely retrimmed, and that's not a little unit either. So that is the most skeptical spot. But if you see how the aluminum goes, it goes into the window and then up. So you got your aluminum at the roof goes in. That's your little diverter at the bottom. Then you go up the face of the sill and then into the window, and then they go up another 3/4 inch just underneath that weep hole. Each window has a weep hole, so the rainwater that hits the screens comes out at weep hole. Well, that water's being shoved behind all this aluminum trim, and it's coming in prior to their flashing. The roofer should have picked up on that in about a second. But in order to address that, we've got to take the whole window out and trim it. So, and to do that, we got to scaffold off, because this is a steep roof, and that window has to be done also. So it's either that or just come in and try to run a bead of caulk there, but that ain't gonna work. That's not gonna work. The right way is take it apart.